Hey everybody, I just want to let you know I just visited Stan the van in the hospital and they're putting him back together. Bumpers are going on. We did discover that he has been in an accident, which we didn't know from the Carfax. Nothing major, just a bent piece of metal underneath the trim on the front and a little crack in the windshield that was underneath some trim. But no big deal. But he's going back together, possibly back on the road Thursday. He'll probably be being op tested tomorrow. They like to put about 100 miles on it. I have some pictures of the engine, the old engine, a picture of the spark plug. I'll put that at the end of this video. But thanks for everybody's concern. But he's going to be back on the road soon, and got to talk to Larry Perry, the magic mechanic, and his crew. And it's almost like he's a part of the family over there now too. So stay tuned for more updates, and I'll have an interview with the magic mechanic when we stand the van up, possibly Thursday and definitely by Friday. So talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Right, here's the old motor.
You can see.
Oh yeah, right there. I see that. Yeah.
You got a hole there and a couple other holes, but you can just see where the top of that top of that piston was just beat all up.
Yeah. So the valve dropped down in there, you think?
I don't think the valve did, because I see all the valves.
Yeah.
A seat might have dropped down. I don't know.
Okay. Well, that was the diagnosis from the dealer when I took it there. They said valve seat failure.
Okay.